A very good afternoon to all the parents and students of PUC second year. See myself once again, PANCHNATH V. Patil, Head of Department of Chemistry, Sri Guru College, Gulbarga. The students, once again, I am before you in this online class because you already know, because of a second wave attack of COVID-19, we are forced to once again go for instruction for annual practical examinations. Okay. So now see, because of sudden health emergency all over India, right? The decision taken by the government, because of that you are unable to do the mock annual practical examination, right? So parents and students, don't worry, for that purpose only we are sending you this online YouTube class, right? Please try to just watch it carefully, word by word. I will give you detailed instruction, right? What is the mode of examination, method of examination, and also how to write and represent in the answer script, and how it is the model, step one by one. Okay? So don't lose confidence. Please watch my this video. Definitely you will do good in the annual practical examination, which are going to be started from 28th April. Right? Already Nitin sir has given you the notice. Come and collect your hall tickets. Right? Accordingly see your batches, please. That is very important. Okay, batches are given because exams are conducted especially in 3 batches. Morning 9 to 11 one batch, okay, and then 1 hour gap, 12 to 2 another batch, and 1 hour gap once again, and 3 to 5 next third batch. But students, remember, in one batch only there are 12 students, right? One batch only 12 students. So don't go for any panic. Be free, prepare, just give the instruction and prepare accordingly and come and face the examination. Okay? Right. In one batch only 12 students, right? Only 12 students. Each will be given different results and different concentration of solution. Because now for chemistry you already know there are 2 experiments, right? 2 experiments. One titration and one simple inorganic qualitative analysis, that is semi-micro inorganic qualitative analysis, salt containing one acid radical and one basic radicals. Okay, so students, please try to understand and give the instruction. First I will give scheme of evaluation, right? Okay. The first one, okay, that is estimation of potassium permanganate, KMnO4, okay, in terms of what? Only molarity, not grams per dm. In terms of molarity, estimation of potassium permanganate in terms of only molarity, right? Using standard, okay, that is FAS solution, right? That is standard means known concentration, that is 0.1 molar solution. We carry out this experiment. This will be for one full 10 marks question, right? 10 marks. One titration. Only this only have to read it. This experiment is common for all the students. Only concentration they will change. Okay. So procedure will be given to you, right? Procedure will be given to you in the examination. Don't worry, but you should know how to do it. That will be there. Okay. Next, second, inorganic semi-micro, right? Semi-micro qualitative analysis. Qualitative analysis of salt containing containing, right, containing one acid radical and one basic radical. Okay, this is also for 10 marks. 2 experiments have to do, and examination hours, allotted hours is what? Okay, time is 2 hours. In 2 hours you have to complete both, one titration and one inorganic qualitative analysis containing one acid radical and one basic radicals. Okay, right. So come to the third one. What is the third one? That is certified. That is dually certified. Okay, practical. That is done. Okay, this carries how much? 6 marks. You already know. And Viva rules. Okay, on functional rules of organic compounds. Right, organic compounds. See, 40 questions are already given to you in the printed form, right? Read those 40 questions. Out of them, 4 questions will be asked, right? That carries 4. So total examination is conducted for how many? That is 10 plus 10, 20, and this is 30. Right? So students, this is very, very important. Please try to first you have to know this. 1 titration for 10 marks, right? 1 for acid radical and basic radical, salt analysis 10 marks, certified practical journal 6 marks, and Viva, that is for 4 marks. Right? Okay, this is that means you have to complete first titration followed by next salt analysis in 2 hours. Right? Okay. So students, first I will tell you what to write, how to represent systematically, because each step carries some marks. That I will tell you in detail. Right? Please try to understand it. Go through the video word by word, which is very important. Right? Okay. Right. See students, you are, as I already told you, when you come to the college, suppose assume that your batch is 9 to morning 9 AM to 11. Okay. You come to chemistry, assume that you are coming for annual practical examination. Right. First you have to come along with your, especially that is systematically with the apron. Okay, white apron. Wear the white apron and come with the hall ticket compulsory. Hall ticket given by the, that is our office, office staff will give you the, that is hall tickets, right? Okay. Ticket with hall ticket compulsory, pens, right? And your student number will be there. That student number you have to write in the examination, which will be given in your hall ticket compulsory, right? That is important. Okay, don't forget to bring the hall tickets. And the hall tickets will be given the batches. That's only 9 to 11, 12 to 2, 3 to 5, already told. Right. Examiner will announce your name. Enter the lab. Okay, and keep your journals in the table. Okay, keep the journals in the table, and there will be 12 answer sheets will be kept. You have to pick up one answer sheet like a lottery system. Okay, you have to pick up one answer sheet. On the answer sheet they will write table number 1 to 12, because in one batch I told you only 12 students. If it is table number 1, go to your respective table number 1 and okay, stand there. If the table number 2, go to table number 10, go to table number 10. This is the method actually. Okay. Right. Once when you go to your table, please first write your all of you student number, compulsory student number, subject, okay, subject, student number, right, and date. Nothing, you don't write your name. There is no any name in there, right? Okay. After once it is completed, see another very important instruction. Please try to remember this. You will not be given extra answer sheet, extra additional in the examination. there will be 4 pages. 4 pages only, that's answer sheet will be there. Okay, 4 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4. To start from first initial, right? The first page you have to start titration. And you have to complete in only one answer sheet, because extra answer sheet will not be given. Please take care. Right? This is the first and foremost information. See, suppose if you are given like this, assume that it is answer. Okay, you have to start from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to complete here. Extra sheet will not be given. Please keep this in the mind. Okay. Now, see what to write first now. That is important. Once now the examiner will give all the instructions, then you have to start writing. First we have to do titration. First now. In titration, what you will write, that I will tell you one by one. Okay. First you complete titration, then you go for salt analysis. Is that clear? Okay, this is the method. See what you have to do first. When you come to the examination, your roll number, your register number, student number will be called. Accordingly, you have to enter the lab, pick up one answer sheet. Okay, pick up one answer sheet and go to your respective allotted tables. So don't change the tables. And on the table, you will be given 2 solutions. Okay, bottle A and bottle B. Right? That's only one solution, that is potassium permanganate solution, and one that is bottle, and another bottle FAS solution. And this time one change, students, you already know, you should not use pipette because of this COVID-19. Instead of pipette, you have to use what? Measuring jar. Measuring jar will be given. Okay. Right, when you are instructed to do the first titration, what should be written? First you have to write, start from first page. Okay, titration. What should be written first? Question is, see, they will be pasted questions on the answers. Don't tear that, right? That is your question. Your question itself is your aim. Okay, your question itself is your aim. Don't write aim in the examination. Right? Okay. So first they will tell you, see what is that? Your aim is to what? Estimation of potassium permanganate in terms of what? Only in terms of molarity. You have to find only concentration, molarity, no grams per liter. Remember this. Only molarity. Using what? Standard FAS solution. 0.1 molar solution. Right. What should be written here? See, one by one. First, see here, in this titration, I am telling you very clearly, you have to do accordingly like this. First, apparatus, compulsory. You have to write. Apparatus. Okay? This you have to read, and you have to read by heart, not by seeing. Right? Apparatus. What is the apparatus needed for this titration? You do a common. See, titration that is apparatus like burette. Okay? Then pipette is not there because instead of that, what we are doing now? Measuring jar. That's important. So pipette is replaced by now measuring. Then conical flask. Okay, conical flask. Then what you will take? Burette stand. After burette stand, porcelain tile. For comparing the color. Okay, that white template, porcelain tiles, and wash bottle. Okay, wash bottle for cleaning the apparatus. Compulsory things are done. Okay, then after apparatus, chemicals. Chemicals required. Okay, chemicals required. Don't, I am telling you repeatedly, don't write the aim. Aim itself is your question. Right? What are the chemicals required? Same chemicals required. First what you will write? See what we need? Potassium permanganate solution. KMNO4 solution. Okay, whose molarity is to be determined. Then second, standard what? FAS solution. Standard ferrous ammonium sulfate solution, which is what? 0.1 molar. Solution of known concentration is called usually what? Standard solution. Right? Then third, for this what you will take? Dilute. Okay, dilute H2SO4. Dilute H2SO4. Okay. See, these are the chemicals required. Come consider student. Once when you write apparatus and chemicals required. Next, in the answer sheet, what you have to write? You have to write solution. Observations. Very important. Okay. See, I will repeat. What are the apparatus? Burette, measuring jar, conical glass, burette sand, porcelain tile, and washing. Right. Next, potassium permanganate solution, standard ferrous ammonium sulfate solution, double sand, and dilute sulfuric acid. Right. Once this is over, next part is very important. Observation, tabular column, and calculation. You have to write first these all, okay, without C. But procedure will be given to you, right? Okay. Not all. Only procedure printed form will be given to you in the examination. Okay. So after apparatus and chemicals required, once it is over, students, right? Now what you will go for this? Next one, it is see observations. In the observation, see compulsory these points have to be written because here only we will do mistakes. What should be written in the observation? See, in the observation, what you have to write is first point solution in the middle. Okay, solution in the burette. Solution in the burette. In the burette solution, what you will take? Okay, potassium permanganate solution, KMnO4 solution, like this. Okay. Then solution in the now jar, not pipette, because pipette is replaced by measuring jar. Okay, measuring the jar. What will take? That is standard. Okay, FAS solution. Okay, how much will take? That is 10 ml. Okay, 10 ml exactly have to measure by using measuring jar. Next, solution in the conical glass. Solution in the conical glass is what? Okay, that is 10 ml FAS solution, right? Plus, what will take here? 1 test tube. Okay, 1 test tube or half test tube. 1 test tube full or half test tube of dilute H2SO4 solution. Okay, dilute H2SO4 solution. Right. And after this, fourth one, indicator unit. See, indicator unit is what? Here, potassium permanganate acts as self-indicator. No outside indicator is used. KMnO4 as self-indicator. Self-indicator. Okay. Then color change. Color change at the end. Color change at the end point. What is the color change at the end point? See, colorless to pale green. Colorless to pale. That means when you add a solution from the burette in first ml by ml, right? And how much you add until you will get colorless to pale pink. When just pale pink comes, stop titration and record the what reading in the tabular column. Okay. Like this, these are very important. Solution in the burette, solution in the measuring jar, indicator use color change at the end. Okay. Let us repeat. See, solution in the unit potassium permanganate solution. Solution in the measuring the standard ferrous ammonium sulfate solution. That is how much you will take? 10 ml. Exactly 10 ml. How in the earlier you used to pipette out 10 ml. Now instead of that, in the measuring jar you are taking how much? Only 10 ml. Then solution in the conical flask, that will you transfer this measuring jar solution to conical flask. Then in the SAS plus, you will do that what you will add to maintain acid medium, 1 test tube full or half test tube dilute sulfuric acid. Okay. Then indicator use potassium permanganate itself acts as sulfate. Then color change at the end point is colorless to regular green. Right? These are compulsory in the observations. Right? What it is? Observation. 5 points. Along with the here below this color change at the end point, you have to also write in observation itself reaction also. Reaction also. Okay. So the 6th point is what? Reaction. I am going to write on the opposite. Okay. 6th point in the observation is what? Reaction. Directly write the balanced equation. No need to write oxidation half, reduction half, then reaction. Not necessary. Right? Because it doesn't carry any marks. So write it. 2 moles of potassium permanganate. That means potassium permanganate in the presence of acidic medium H2SO4 reacts with the ferrous sulfate of FAS. Okay, and gets converted into what? K2SO4, potassium sulfate. Reduced product is MnSO4, manganese sulfate. Okay, and once again oxidized product is ferric sulfate. Fe2SO4 taken thrice plus water. Right? Like this is the product. Balance the equation. 2 moles, 2 K1O4, K2SO4. Right? Then 5 Fe2SO4. See, this is 2 MnSO4. 5 Fe2SO4 taken thrice because plus 2 to plus 3. Right? It is oxidizing. So because potassium permanganate plus 7 to get reduced to what? Plus 2. 5. That we have to multiply here by 5. 10 items then we multiply here by what? 10 will be SO. Right? The remaining class will, that is the oxygen at end. So 8 H2SO4 and 8 SO. Don't write here double salt. FeSO4 NH1 twice SO4 6S2, that is not necessary. Even if you write this much, this is the reaction. 2 K1O4 plus 8 SO4 plus 10 FeSO4 gives 8 SO4 plus 2 MnSO4 plus 5 Fe2SO4 taken thrice plus 8 SO. This is the balance equation for what? Titration of potassium permanganate versus ferrous ammonium sulfate solution. These are the observations. Then, what is to be written in that tabular column? See, after this observation, at 5 points and 6 after reaction. Below this reaction, I have to draw the tabular column. Okay. See, the tabular column, what to do? Just see. Tabular column. The tabular column, just see students. First, serial number. Right? Then value of FAS used for titration. Okay, then burette radius. Here initial and then according to your lab and final. Initial you take it as x, final you take it as 1. Right? Then finally what we do is do the mean burette radius, that is MB. Okay? MBR, mean burette radius. That is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3. If you have taken 3 readings divided by, which is nothing but case, what you write is divided ratings, right? This is value of KMO. Okay, that is only consumed in cubic centimeter. So this is the tabular column what we will draw, right? So each level 1, 2, 3. Each time we will measure 10 ml, 10 ml or 10 cubic centimeter. दोनों चलो. Okay. And here first reading. This is first. Okay, that is first reading, second reading, third. In centimeter. What you will get? If you start from 0 here, you should get 10 ml. This is your first. And you are finally what? Y minus x. Y minus x means 10 minus 0. What will you get? 10 centimeter. Right. Okay, then start initial as 10. And your final will be next it should be 20. Right? Your y minus x will be what? Minus 20 minus 10. Once again 10 centimeter cube. Or you can take it as milliliter or cubic centimeter, they want to add some, right? Then initial 30 ml, sorry 20, you should get final 30, right? So y minus x will be what? That is 30 minus 20 because initial. Once again, then see MBR, mean unit 1 plus 2 plus 3. Because you are taking 3 readings divided by 3. That is that. Like this you have to. Don't write all these readings initially. This should be full fill up the blank. Once examiner see all these and you will do the sign, right? Then go on. If you ask you 2 readings, MBR is 1 plus 2 divided by 2. If you ask 3 readings, 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 2. Just I will give you one example. Okay, so don't write these values by heart. What you get there in the concentration by doing reading, that will be sufficient. Clear? So that's why see I will remove this. Just remember you have to write land, right? This is just for information how to calculate everything. But in the examination first I will do like this. Lastly, what is your this is MB. That's only MBR is 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by what is MBR? MBR is nothing but value of potassium permanganate consumed. Okay, that is in ml or cubic centimeter. Right? This is tabular column. After tabular column, what is remaining lastly? Just remaining is calculation. Okay, only calculation. That is the end of our calculation. Right? So now what you have done? First, apparatus you have done. Then chemicals reading. After that, observation. 6 points. Solution in burette, solution in measuring jar, solution in conical glass, solution. Okay, sorry. Indicator use, color change at the end point, 5 points. Then reaction. After reaction, this is done in tabular. Here only we do mistake. This is final. This is initial. Okay. Difference in level is final minus initial. That is only value of potassium permanganate consumed. Okay. And that's about tabular. After tabular column, you will go forward. Finally, titration. Calculation. So what is the calculation? Calculation part is also very easy. But again, main initial part what only molarity over those. See, calculation. The right handing as calculation and right language to determine molarity. Determine the molarity. Concentration in terms of what? Molarity. How? Water, helium, potassium. Okay. What is the formula used here? E1 m M1 V1 is equal to E2 M2 V. Molarity before dilution, molarity after dilution, that is invalid. But here you are taking two solutions. If concentration of one of the solution is known, concentration of other solution can be easily calculated. Okay? Now first you write this side what you are taking FAS, standard corresponding solution, versus what? Versus potassium permanganate. Here once when you write it, then it is very easy. Indicate with each term. What is A1? A1 is nothing but number of electrons lost. Number of electron lost in the formula units. Formula unit of FAS. See, in the reaction you know, ferrous sulfate is oxidized to what? Ferric sulfate. Fe2SO4 taken. Here plus 2 to what? Plus 3. Only one unit increase. Right? That's what do you write here? 1. Oh. Then what is M1? Molarity. Molarity of what? Molarity of FAS. This is standard solution. You already know this. What is its concentration? Its concentration will be given in your question paper. What concentration they are giving you have to write. See, this is one example just I have given you. 0.1. Right? Okay. Then V1 value of FAS. What is this value of FAS solution? How much you taken from the jar? 10. Okay. Right. And what is yield? This is number of electrons. Okay, number of electrons gained in the formula units of given potassium permanganate. How many electrons? 5. Because potassium permanganate get reduced to what? MnSO. Plus 7 oxidation state to plus 2. How many units? 5. Therefore 5. Okay, 5 electrons. Like this. Okay, for understanding purpose, just okay. It's not necessary, just write this much. Once this is over, then what is M2? M2 stands for molarity. Right? Molarity of potassium permanganate. That is our main thing. That is only have to find. Right? What is V2? Value of potassium permanganate, which is nothing but what? Mean divided O. Right? Once see our aim is to calculate what now? 8. Therefore, solve for it. A2 is equal to, right? A1 M1 V1 whole divided by M2 V. What is A1? Number of electrons. What is M1? Point. What is V1? 10. What is M2? Molarity. Sorry. M2 our aim is to find M2, right? M2 is nothing but A1 M1 V1 by. Okay, A1 M2 is nothing but A1 M1 into V1 divided by A2 V. So this is A2. What is A2? Number of electrons. What is V2? Nothing but MV. Up to this dash, that is concentration. This is the molarity of resultant solution. Like this, first you have to come and write all this. Okay, in the answer sheet. First what you will write? The parts. What you will write next? Chemicals required. After chemical required, 6 parts compulsory. Solution in the burette, solution in the pipette, solution in the conical flask, right? Then, solution in the burette, solution in the measuring jar. See students, I am telling the pipette, it's a measuring jar. Then conical flask, transfer to conical flask. right? And indicator use and color change at the end point, compulsory. Then reaction. After reaction, tabular column. After tabular column, this calculation in detail you have to write like this because each carries marks, right? Okay. So here, once when you write all this and substitute there, finally you substitute here and get the result. What is the final what you write? Result. What is the result? Molarity. Molarity of FAS is equal to dash. Your experiment is one titration is right. So see, I will tell you now allotment of marks for each time. See here, first what you write, apparatus chemicals required and doesn't carry any marks, right? But you have to write numbers. Performing the experiment. Performing the experiment carries 3 marks. Okay? What is this? Performing experiment. How do you do the method that carries 3 marks? Accuracy of the reading. This time they won't go for any strict according to this accuracy because you are taking measuring there. So, but that also carries 3 marks. 3 plus 3, 6. Right? Then after accuracy and this performance 6 marks, remaining marks are allotted for calculation. Calculation part, calculations. Okay, 1 marks for formula. Writing formula E1 M1 E1 is equal to E2 M2 E2. This carries 1 marks, right? Then substitution and getting calculation. Substitution and calculation that carries like this 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 1 7. Okay. Writing the formula itself, right? And here and 2 marks and 1 marks for tabular recording the reading in that tabular column. Substitution and calculation 2 marks and for the recording the reading here only, right? Recording of reading. That carries. So 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1 total. Like this, see, each step you have to write systematically like this only. Otherwise, if you are not written in the answer sheet, you will lose the marks. So please students, this part is very important. How do you perform experiment? Carries 3 marks. Accuracy carries 3 marks. After getting the reading, okay, once you get pale pink color, stop titration and record the reading, that is carries 1 marks. Then you go for calculation, writing this formula, you will carry 1 marks. Substitution and calculation carries total 2 marks, including units. If you don't write units, you will lose half marks. This strictly have to follow. Okay, once when you enter that, I told you no. Pick up the answer sheet, go it, write all this plan, take the sign, take the if the external examiner asks you to take 2 readings, then NBR have to write it as 1 plus 2 divided by 2. If it's 3 readings, 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3. So that depends upon the reference to context. Okay, this is the reading what? First half of the experiment. This what you have to complete, incomplete, minimum, at the maximum. Minimum 30 minutes, maximum 40 minutes. You have to complete. After once all this calculation over, take the sign from the examiner, okay? External examiner or internal examiner, take the sign and then sir will proceed for next inorganic qualitative analysis. After this you will be given, say that's all. You have to write all this complete in only 1 page. Because you have to complete in only one answer sheet, no additional will be given. Please try to remember. Okay? Then see, next titration. Heading you have to write, inorganic qualitative analysis. Right? In inorganic qualitative analysis, you know, without using chart, you have to have the chart and don't bring any chart to the, that is what examination, which will be strictly prohibited. without chart to do the salt analysis. Please remember this. Okay. Now see. So you write the right heading salt analysis next, and accordingly you have to start analyzing salt containing one acid radical and one basic radical. Okay, this is the first part. First part of that is instruction to chemistry annual examination, practical annual examination. Okay. Once again I will repeat, student. Please try to remember. You will come to your respective batches. You have to be there in the examination in the college. If you are having at 9 a.m., you should be sharp in the college at 8:30 a.m. Before half an hour, you should come and sit in the classrooms. Accordingly, we will call the register numbers. Okay, you have to come, pick up one answer sheet, go to your respective table, do first titration like this what I told you in detail, and then sir will ask you to go for next what? Inorganic qualitative analysis. Right? Then perform salt analysis. Once the salt analysis is over, 6 marks for Viva. 6 marks for certified, dually certified practical journal. You have to take the sign off. You are in charge of the practical along with the principals. Right? Head of the institution, that principals. Right? Then that will be awarded 6 marks. Then you will be asked to Viva for 4 marks. Those Viva questions is purely will be asked on your functional groups, organic functional group on haloalkanes, haloarenes, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid. Some confirmatory functional groups are there, tests are there. Okay, spot tests are there. 40 questions printed already given to you as given by the board. Read out them. Out of them only 4 questions will be answered. Okay, right. See, your Viva makes you to get all 30 out of 30. Done all the experiment, 2 experiment correctly, 10 plus 10, 20. 6 marks for certified practical journal and remaining 4 marks for Viva. See, your Viva only decides your score. Out of 4 you answered 2 wrong, 2 marks will be correct. Only you have done only 1 correct, you will get only 1 mark, 3 marks will be correct. Right? And if you have done all the correct, all the 4 questions you have given correct answer, no reduction in the marks, you will get 30 out of 30. So please try to score out of marks. See, out of marks is left to you because you tell all the Viva questions correct, definitely you will get 30 out of 30. Got it? So please once again try to remember this. Right? Okay, when you enter lab, what you will do, students? Once again repeating briefly, you will pick up one answer sheet because in one batch only 12 students. Don't refer any other students. Salt analysis and even readings. What you get, write your own readings, don't change. Okay? Strictly, because concentrations are different and each one you will get different salts. Right? Okay. So this is about first initial part of what? First experiment of chemistry annual practical exams. That carries what? 10 marks. 3 marks for performing experiment, 3 marks for what? That is accuracy. 1 marks for recording, reading in the tabular column, 3 plus 1, 7. Writing formula, E1, M1, V1 is equal to A2, M2, V2. Right? That carries 1 mark. Substitution and calculation getting result, correct result is 2 marks. Including units. You have to write units, pakka. Without forgetting, you have to write. You have to check it once again and then go for salt analysis. Okay? Right. Just I will stop here and see. Next salt analysis I will tell you in the next video. Thank you.